ripping out walls and cleaning up sewage has become an annual activity for some Alexandria neighbors, with storms increasingly leading to flooding.
This is the fourth time that my basement has flooded.
Amber Lyons lives in the Delray neighborhood.
And it's really hard because I bought this house actually so that my mom could move in here with me, and I turned the basement into an apartment for her. So we've since had to move her out into a different apartment so that she's not getting flooded out all the time.
These Mason Ave neighbors say that the water overflows from these drains in their back alley into their backyard, which is where they're now returning it. Rosie Bell in Falls Church also got about 2 feet of water in her carport and crawl space.
These 100-year storms that they keep calling them are happen to us twice a year, and that's crazy.
Some neighbors came up with their own solutions.
So we know that the water is coming from back here into our walkway, so we decided to just build out some kind of wall. At least for us, this was a success.
Alexandria officials have acknowledged that the city's experienced more frequent and severe flash floods recently and have launched Flood Action Alexandria to try to minimize it. That includes drainage improvements and culvert cleaning. It's one step, but as neighbors eye debris-covered play sets and mounting expenses, they want immediate action.
I don't know what to do anymore. I'm kind of, at that limit of what do I do now? Please help.
Now, if you're like some of these Alexandria neighbors and installed your own flood mitigation measures, starting August 30th, you can apply for a reimbursement grant from the city for up to 50% of the cost, or $5,000. In Alexandria, Jess Arnold, WUSA 9.